Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin wal aqibatu lil muttaqin wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man da'a bi da'watihi ila yaumil din. Amma ba'd. Qala Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala fi kitabil karim ba'da a'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alam tara kaifa fa'ala rabbuka bi ashabil fil alam yaj'al kaydahum fi tadlil wa arsala 'alaihim tayran ababil tarmihim bi hijaratin min sijil faj'alahum ka'asfin ma'kul. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. O Muhammad, have you not seen how your Lord dealt with the companions of the elephants? Have you not seen, O Muhammad, how your Lord made their treacherous plan go astray? And he sent against them a flight of birds, striking them with a stone of big cliff. And he made them like an empty filled pistols, of which the corn of the plants was eaten up by the cattle or the animals. My dear brothers and sisters, who are listening to me in this pleasant occasion, I would like to discuss to you briefly this qissa or this histories about Abraham al-Asram, the governor of Yemen. When he became the governor of Yemen, he planned to build a very beautiful church. And he planned also, he has an idea to force all the Arab to render their pilgrimage to his church. And in that case, one of the Arab from Makkah, because his plan is that to force all the Arabs, to invite all the Arabs to render their pilgrimage to his church instead of Al-Kaaba. So one of the Arab came from Makkah and he knew the treacherous plan of Abraham. And what did he do? He entered the masjid, he entered the church in the night time, and he made dirt inside the masjid. He stools and he urinated inside the masjid, and he swept the walls. And after that, he go away. So when Abraham knew these things, he was infuriated. He was infuriated, or he cannot control his angers. And after that, my brothers and sisters, he planned to invade Makkah, and he mustered 60,000 soldiers, and they invaded Makkah. And when they reached Makkah, he negotiated with Abdulnasser, the grandfather of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he was present in that time, the city of Makkah. When Abdulnasser knew that his plan is to destroy or to demolish the Kaaba, he told him, please return to me my cattle, my camels, my goats, please return to me. But Abraham insulted him. He said that, what kind of leader you are? What kind of chieftain you are? You heard that your place will be invaded. You heard that I will demolish the Kaaba. But your cattle is much dearer to you than your people and your country. So Abdulnasser just smiled and he said, Hunaka Rabbun Yahmiha. Al-Ka'bah Hunaka Rabbun Yahmiha. There is a God, the Almighty God, who is Almighty, Almighty Allah, who defends the Kaaba. And Abraham kadalik, return all the cattle belongs to Abdulnasser, and he commanded his troops to assault or to proceed to Al-Kaaba in order to demolish the Kaaba. But Abdulnasser, before that, he also commanded his people to climb to the mountains in order to avoid damage or to avoid encounter from the troops of Abraham. But my dear brothers, when there is Al-Mahshar, that is in Mina, when there is Al-Mahshar, all the elephants stop walking, stop running, and they lay down. All elephants, that is 13 big elephants, they lay down, and Abraham get angry and ordered to beat them by sticks made of steel, but still the elephants didn't continue to walk. So that's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent them a swarm of birds, sent them a flight of birds, and striking them with a stone of big clay, and until they made Allah made them like an empty field of stalks, of which the corn or the plants was eaten up by a cattle. So that's why, that is the cause why the Kaaba did not destroy, my brothers and sisters in Islam, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala put a dignity an honor to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, because after that incident, after 50 days, that incident, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born. And that's why the birth year of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is considered as the year of the elephant. Why they are called year of the elephant? Because elephant is newly known by the Arabs. In the Arabian Peninsula, the Arabs of Makkah, they don't know elephant. Only in Africa, and India, and also in Thailand. There is no elephant in other parts of the world. But the first time the Arabs saw that elephant, so when they make stories about the birth of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they coincide it, they call it as the year of the elephant, 571 years. So you know, my brothers, what are the main lessons that we learn in this story of Abraham and invading the Kaaba, to demolish the Kaaba? First, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala defended the Kaaba, and all the Muslims during that time, all the Arabs during that time increased their respect and honor, dignity of the Kaaba, because they realized that the Kaaba is very, very true. That is a house of worship to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, secondly, that is one of the miracles of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, because he will be sent as the last of the prophet and messengers. My dear brothers, thirdly, that is, this will be a lesson. We hope this will be a lesson to all kuffar, to all unbelievers who are planning to destroy Islam and to destroy the dignity of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, to dishonor Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we hope that this history will be frighten the kuffar, will discourage the kuffar to destroy Islam, because Islam is the complete way of life. Islam is the true religion of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the true religion revealed to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.